Hello everybody. So one thing I realized last video is that it'd be nice to be able to import different art assets into the game, but it's slightly annoying um, that this has to be wavefront. It'd be much nicer if I can do the same thing using actually my own editor by creating assets and then be able to import them into different parts of the scene I'm working on. So that's what I'm going to show you today. So I'm going to make like a small art asset. So it's going to be like a little tree that grows out this pot, like this, and then put like a big old sphere on top, like that. Just center it up, and let's make it a little bit bigger, something like that maybe. Might be too big this way. Oops, that will do. Right, so let's give these things some emissive color. That's already brown, it's brown. There we go. Something like that. I'll make this thing green. So, the benefit of doing this, so I'm going to save this as an art asset called treepot. So then we can make a new file, or like a new level. So let's just make a real simple thing. We've got a long stretch where a player can walk on, and let's say I want trees on either side of this thing. So I'll set a collision. Here we go. Match this thing up. Cool. Pop player down here, and now I want to include these trees. So normally what I would do is go to a side, make an art asset, and then use it in level. But that's quite tedious because if I want to change the art assets, it's kind of hard to place all of them in the same level. So it's nicer now. What I can do is to import a PLF file. So the treepot. So here it is. So this just gets imported straight into the level. So I can just position it wherever I want it. Then just scale it down a little bit. It's not too massive. So its height is fine. It's the width I want to reduce somewhat. Yeah, something like that. Okay, oh, the height might be slightly. There we go, perfect. So now I can just plump this down over here and just make a few copies by just duplicating this. Oops. Here we go. Something like that. One more. And then I can just copy this whole lot across the other side. Like this. So then if we create the nav mesh and then join to the level, save it as my level. Yes. Then as you can see, we basically got the trees in here. And I can just make all different art assets in different files and then import them into my actual level. So that's quite neat. So second thing I've worked on is to include some ways to display messages to the player. So for example, if I were to say add a trigger volume here around this tree, so the player is like next to this particular tree, it'll basically the player will be told it's a tree, it's next on. So what I need to do is to add an audio cue. So eventually ways to be able to trigger audio and also include subtitles for people who can't hear. But clearly I don't have any audio drivers yet, so that's basically still to do. So this will send message number 13 to send audio cue, and so it's like, this is a tree, exclamation mark. So create message, just duration to something like, I don't know, 11 seconds. And let's make it black. That sounds reasonable. So it's going to be the one in the back here, I believe. for over here. Oh my god. Oh wait, here we are. Okay, so I want to look clear where the matches appearing. Okay, let's reset a little bit. So let's set to number 14 instead. So let's move this 14. And make sure that you also got audio cue. 14. This is a tree. Create duration. Blam. Okay, let's give it a shot. That's better. So the message should appear at the base of whatever object is connected to the thing we link to. So in this case, the tree. So that's basically where the message will appear. So still working in work in progress, but ideally, as I work on the game, I can basically drop messages to the player to notify them of things. That should eventually disappear. But yeah, that's basically all I want to show you. So we're able to import, basically create rsets on my own editor, import them, and have this new little thing tied up that clearly needs a lot of work still, but we're getting there. That's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching and catch us later. Take care.